Hi there, this is Jamie Thomas with Click the Mouse. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. And so if you want help with your magical vacation, make sure to check me out. Today we are talking about the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I have a room tour. We got a Savannah room, newly renovated, beautiful. So let's check it out. So the first thing that's really cool about Animal Kingdom Lodge is each door has a shield. And that is something that's kind of special with each room in African culture, because shields kind of play an important part. We are in room 3365, Savannah view. So let's check it out. Oh, I gotta use my magic band. So here is the room. These are newly renovated, so they have the high-rise beds that you can store all your luggage under to make lots of room. New headboard sheets, curtains. They took away all the wallpaper, and here is the lovely TV. I think Brad would approve the TV size. And right over here, we have a little seating area so you can get ready, and great product placement for Jamie at Click the Mouse. One thing, a little tip, is each room has a note from a manager of the Animal Kingdom, and if you have any problems during your stay, what you can actually do is email, contact the manager, and they will be able to help you out. So that is at each one of the Disney hotels, and I actually did it today. Within an hour, they replied back. It was a phenomenal service. So we're gonna check out the bathroom and the little coffee area. Right over here, we have a Keurig and coffee mugs, K-cups, and then beautiful Lion King kind of theme back there, which is really nice. Then you have a fridge, which it's a pretty decent sized fridge. Also have a safe, some closet space, and then have some more closet space here. Now we did have to call down and get the iron, an ironing board, because they didn't have that in the room. So I don't know if it was just an oversight or if they're not putting them in every room now and you have to call down. So yeah, aren't those beautiful? Now let's check out the bathroom. So this is all new too. Double sinks, lots of storage down there. You got your hair dryer in the middle. And then up here, we have some Lion King themed Hakuna Matata, super cute. And then over here, we have a lovely shower head. You have the rainfall shower, and then you also have the hand shower, so you can pull it out and, you know, shave your legs and all that stuff. And it's just a really nice shower. You notice they do have the, I guess, communal shampoo bottles and everything. Disney, to help with the environment, they are doing away with the individual ones. So you'll see all of the hotels will phase out of the individual ones that you get to take home, and you're gonna get those kind of ones that everyone shares, but they can't be tampered with, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this is the storage space for towels and a toilet. So lots of room in the bathroom, and two people can actually get ready at the same time because this is just outside. There's doors right here too to close it off, so lots of room. Now let's check out the by far best part, Savannah view. So I kind of feel like if you're going to stay at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, you have to have a Savannah view. You just got it. So you have a nice balcony right here. Beautiful. And then here is the Savannah view. And you will see giraffes out, ostriches. There's some ostrich over there. There is over there a giraffe. Zebras come out. And it is just really cool. So I like to have a coffee in the morning, granola bar, sit out here, maybe do some quotes, talk to you guys, and enjoy the room. So there it is. Lovely, hey? So I want to thank you for taking a moment to watch our video on the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Let me know what you think about the newly refurbished rooms and Savannah View. Clearly it is amazing. It is one of my favorite resorts. It has some of the best amenities and one of the best pools on property, amazing staff, and the food here, Boma, Sanaa, Jico, they are all amazing restaurants. So you're going to want to make sure to check it out, get a Savannah View. So make sure to like, subscribe. If you are interested in a Disney vacation, contact me, this girl right here, because I can make, help you with everything. Fast passes and using my services is completely free. So you can contact me via email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or via the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Bye.